MCQ number 15. The main advantage of Heron's formula is letter A. It works even if no angles are given. Letter B. It requires knowing the height. Letter C. It only works for right triangles. Letter D. It uses trigonometric functions. Number 16. A triangle with sides side A equal to 6, side B equal to 8, side C equal to 10 has an area by Heron's formula of A 20, B 22.5, C 24, D 25. MCQ number 17. Which of the following is the correct sequence when applying Heron's formula? Letter A, find S, plug into formula, simplify. Letter B, find S, square each side, subtract. Letter C, find S, divide by 2, multiply by height. Letter D, find S, compute tangent, substitute. MCQ number 18. If a triangle has sides, side A 9, side B 13, side C 14, what is the semi-perimeter? Letter A, 17. Letter B, 18. Letter C, 19. Letter D, 20. MCQ number 19. Which of the following sets of side lengths can be used in Heron's formula? A is equal to 3, B equals to 4, C is equal to 5. Letter B, side A is 5, side B is 12, side C is 13. Letter C, A is equal to 6, side B is equal to 8, side C is equal to 10. Letter D, all of the above. MCQ number 20. Which method is best if only the three sides of a triangle are known? Letter A, law of sines. Letter B, A is equal to 1/2 AB sine angle C. Letter C, Heron's formula. Letter D, law of cosines. The answer key for our quarter 3, measurement and geometry, lesson Roman numeral number 2, finding the area of oblique triangles using Heron's formula and sine rule. So number 1, it's letter B. Two sides and the included angle are given. Number 2, it's letter A. 51.96. Number B, the correct answer. Number 3, the correct answer is B, 270. Number 4, the correct answer is A. A is equals to 1/2 BC sine angle A. Number 5, the correct answer is letter B, 150. Number 6, the correct answer is C, sine. Number 7, the correct answer is C, 90.00. Number 8, the correct answer is B, It can be used if all three sides are known. Number 9, the correct answer is C, 63.00. Number 10, the correct answer is B, A is equal to 1 half AB sine C. Number 11, the correct answer is A. A is equal to the square root of S times S minus B times S minus B times S minus C. Number 12, the correct answer is C, 12. Number 13, the correct answer is letter B, half the sum of all sides. Number 14, the correct answer is B, it's 18. Number 15, the correct answer is A. It works even if no angles are given. MCQ number 16, the correct answer is C, 24. Number 17, the correct answer is A. Find S and then plug into formula and then simplify. Number 18, the correct answer is letter C, 18. Number 19, the correct answer is letter D, all of the above. Number 20, the correct answer is letter C, Heron's formula. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.